Good morning, students. Today we do activity 7, question number 2. Question number 2 is find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse only of each of the following. Clear? You already done question number 1 in the previous class. So question number 2 is same like question number 1 only. Clear? So you have to write the reciprocal of 6. So if I want to write the reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. Clear? We will write 6 which is in numerator. Now we write in a denominator. Clear? And down of 6 what is written? Nothing is written. So we consider it 1 is written down of 6. So answer will be 1 by 6. Clear? Now reciprocal of 2 by 5. It is 5 by 2. What we have done? We have changed their position. Clear? Numerator now become denominator and denominator now become numerator. Clear? Now reciprocal of 19. Down of 19 nothing written. So what we write? 1. So reciprocal of 19 is 1 by 19. Clear? Now we do H part. H part is 5 1 by 2. First of all, student, it is in a mixed form. You can't write reciprocal of it. So what do? Firstly, you convert it in an improper form. Clear? So when you convert in improper form, answer will come 11 by 2. Now you will write the reciprocal of 11 by 2. What is the answer? Answer will be 2 by 11. Clear? Now student, we do activity 8 and activity 7 which I explained you. Question number 2. That one question you have to do in your maths copy. And activity 8 also question number 2. A part we will do in a maths copy. You have to write down the date in the notebook also. Clear? Question number 2. In activity 8 basically student we have to do division of fraction. What is division of fraction? To divide a number by a number, we simply multiply the number by reciprocal of that another number. Clear? I will explain you how. See this example. A part. 6 by 8 means divide 6 by 8. So in place of by what come? Divide. Down of 6 nothing written. So what I write? 1. Down of 8 nothing written. So I will write 1. Now 6 by 1 I will write as it is. Clear? Now, in place of divide sign, what come? Multiply sign. And 8 by 1. When you convert divide sign into multiply sign, then after the divide sign, whatever fraction is written, that will be reciprocate. Clear? Means 8 by 1 will become 1 by 8. Clear? Now, after this, it will become same like activity 6. Means one number you have to see from numerator and one number you have to see from denominator. Clear? And these two numbers bothly come in one table. Means 6 and 8. It should come in one table. Will you please tell? 6 and 8 comes in which table? It comes in 2 table. 2 3s are 6. So I will cut 6 and 2 4s are 8. So I will write 4 down. So answer will be 3 1s are 3 and down 4 is written. So answer will be 3 by 4. Clear? Now I will explain you B part. B part is same like that only. 1 by 3 by. In place of by what come? Divide sign. 4. 4 down of 4 what I write? 1. So it will be 4 by 1. Now student what I do? See. In place of divide sign, I put multiply sign. And 4 by 1, we always reciprocate second number. We never do first one number. It will be wrong. So 4 by 1 will become 1 by 4. Clear? Now, one number we take from numerator and one number from denominator when we do cutting. But here, there is no number which come in one table. So what do? Numerator you multiply. Means 1 1s are 1 and 3 4s are 12. So answer will be 1 by 12. Clear? Now we do H part. 18 by 36 by 12. Means 18 by 36 we write as it is. In place of by what come? Divide sign. And 12 down of 12 nothing written. So you write 1. Now in place of divide sign, multiply sign come and 1 upon 12 come. Now you see 18 and 36 comes in any one table. Yes, it comes in two table. Clear? Or see the biggest table. 18 and 36 come in 18 table only. 18 ones are 18 twos are. You can do this thing also. Clear? Otherwise you can cut with 3 because I have cut 18 and 36 by 3. 3 or I have cut with 6. 6 threes are 18. Clear? Like this manner we do cutting. 6 threes are 18 and 6 are 36. So what do you do? Again you do cutting. When you do cutting, up will left 1 and down will left 24. So answer will be 1 by 24. Clear, students? Now after this, student, we do question number 3. Question number 3 is find the value of each of the following. Now in this question, in place of by, students, what is written? Divide sign. So what I do? In place of divide sign, I put multiply sign and divide down of 2, nothing written. So what I write? 1. So when I reciprocate 2, it will become 1 by 2. Now you will see in numerator and denominator, there are two numbers which come in one table, that is 4 and 2. Both numbers come in two table only. So we cut it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. After that there is no cutting, so we will stop. Now we multiply numerator with numerator. 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. So answer will be 2 by 5. Clear? Now student, we do B part of it. B part is 7 divided by 1, 2 by 3. Means it is in a mixed form. So first of all we convert in a improper form. 7 divided by 5 by 3. Now in place of divide sign, multiply sign come and 5 by 3 will become 3 by 5. Now you see which two numbers come in one table. Note number is there. So what do? Numerator you multiply by numerator, means 7 threes are 21. 1 5s are 5. 21 upon 5. Now listen what you have to do. It is in an improper form. You have to convert this number in a mixed form by dividing it. Clear? Now student, we do C part of it. 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 6. So in place of divide sign, again what come? Multiply sign, and 1 by 6 will become 6 by 1. Now see, 6 and 9 come in one table, that is a 3 table. 3 twos are and 3 threes are. So you cut it, answer will be 2 by 3. Clear? Now L part. L part is in mixed form. So first of all what we do? We convert in a improper form. So 4 1 by 2 will be written as 9 by 2 divided by 4 1 by 5 will be written as 21 by 5. Now student, what do you do? In place of divide sign, multiply sign come. Now 5 by 21 come. Now you will see which two numbers come in one table, that is 9 and 21 only. 9 and 21, it comes in which table? 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 sevens are 21. After that, is there any cutting? No. So you stop. Now you multiply numerator with numerator. Now cut one number you can't take. You take other number. In place of cut one number, what come? That one number you take. 3 5s are 15. 2 sevens are 14. Now it is again in a improper form. So we convert in a mixed form. Clear? Now, student, we do question number 4. Question number 4 is a word problem. Word problem of this one chapter is same like question number 2 and 3. What do? The question is the cost of 5 kg of sugar is, means statement we take from the question only. Cost of 5 kg of sugar is, in place of is equals to come rupees 137 1 by 2. Now it is in a mixed form, so you convert in a improper form by 137 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Answer will be rupees 275 by 2. Now what is the cost of 1 kg of sugar? You write cost of 1 kg of sugar is equals to rupees 275 by 2 divided by 5. When you divide it by 5, down of 5 you write 1, and in place of divide sign, if it come multiply sign, then 5 by 1 will change into 1 by 5. Now see, 275 and 5 comes in one table, that is 5 table only. So in place of 275 what come? 55. So answer will be rupees 55 by 2. It is in a improper form, so you convert in a mixed form. So answer will be rupees 227 1 by 2. And then you write hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence the cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 27 1 by 2. Clear? Now we do question number 5. Question number 5 is Ramya bought 24 meter cloth. Means we are talking about what? We are talking about cloth. So you write the statement like this manner. Cloth Ramya bought is equals to 24 meter. Then second line is she wants to cut the cloth in 9 equal pieces. Means what she did, number of pieces she wants. How many want? She wants 9 pieces. So then you write length of one piece, because they are asking find the length of each piece. Each means one piece. Length of one piece. How you find? 24 you have to divide by 9. Now see, 24 and 9 both the numbers come in one table, that is 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9. So answer come 8 by 3. Now this is again a improper form, so you convert in a mixed form. Clear? So answer will be 2 by 3 meter. Then you write hence line. Hence line is the length of one piece is equals to 2 by 3 meter. Clear, student? Today, student, we have done what is reciprocal of any given number and what we call the reciprocal. We call reciprocal multiplicative inverse. So student, today in activity 7 we done multiplicative inverse in question number 2. After that we have done division of fraction in activity 8. How to divide a number by a number. How to divide a number by a fraction. How to divide a fraction by a number. And after that we have done 2 word problem 4 and 5. So I hope you understand question number 1, 2 and 3, and along with that question number 4 and 5. Now I am giving you homework also. That one question you have to do practice in your maths copy. Questions are, do activity 7 question number 2 D and L part in your maths fair notebook, and do activity 8 question number 2 C and G part, and question number 3 D and J part. Clear, student? Thank you and have a nice day.